How to edit a PDF file on a laptop. Want to edit a PDF file on your laptop? In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to edit a PDF on Windows 11. Whether you want to highlight text, add notes, edit content, or fill out forms, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. Method 1. Edit a PDF using Microsoft Edge, free. Step 1. Open your laptop. Turn on your laptop and sign in to Windows. Step 2. Locate the PDF file. Open File Explorer and find the PDF document you want to edit. Step 3. Open the PDF in Microsoft Edge. Right-click the PDF file, select Open With, and choose Microsoft Edge. Step 4. Highlight text. Once the PDF opens, use the highlight tool to mark important text. Step 5. Add notes. You can also add notes or text annotations wherever needed. Step 6. Draw using the pen tool. If you want to mark or circle something, select the Draw tool and use your mouse or touchscreen. Step 7. Save your changes. When you're finished, press Ctrl+S or click the Save icon to save the edited PDF. Method 2. Edit a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Step 1. Open Adobe Acrobat. Launch Adobe Acrobat on your laptop. Save the PDF. Click File, then Save to keep your edits. That's how you can edit a PDF file on your laptop using Microsoft Edge, Adobe Acrobat, or an online PDF editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.